Hello, today I'm going to talk about helping others. The people who decide to do volunteer work is because they want to make a difference. They want to help poor people, they want to help elderly, they want to help orphans, or they want to preserve our planet by cleaning up the beaches, cleaning up the parks, etc. When I was a teenager, I did volunteer work. The lady who inspired me to do this was Rosita. We used to visit an elderly woman who was very sick. We read the Bible, we talked to her, we sang some songs, and usually he was very happy when we visited at her. After that, I decided to become a catechesis teacher, and I worked with little kids for about 4 or 6 years. It was very nice because I work in a poor community. The children had a pure and grateful heart. You can see this in their eyes. And if I have in the future the opportunity to do this again, I will do it. But for now, it's not possible because I am working, I'm studying, and I have my family. I don't see that in my culture, in our culture, the people volunteering that much. Uh, for example, I met some guys in the US that they do volunteer. They collect money and they make meals. They take their cars and go outside to the streets and give food for homeless people. There are many organizations that they do this stuff. Also, some organizations work in cleaning up the beaches and cleaning up the parks, etc. And I think doing volunteer work for the people from US is normal. It's traditional. Also, some schools it is an option to graduate from high schools, and that is very nice. But I don't see it that much in our country, and I think it's because of culture. But also another reason I can say it's we are a poor country that we need to get a job and get pay so we can survive. Otherwise, we don't have money for pay all the things that we have to pay. So that's why I think in here in our community we don't expect that much the volunteering work um, because of the things I mentioned before. Thank you very much for listening.